Hello everyone, welcome to our comprehensive guide on obtaining personal loans in the United States. Navigate the path to financial assistance with our step-by-step insights and expert tips. Let's begin your journey. In today's fast-paced world, unexpected expenses can arise at any moment, leaving many individuals seeking financial support. One viable solution is a personal loan, offering a lifeline during challenging times. Whether you are looking to consolidate debt, cover medical expenses, or make a significant purchase, understanding how to secure a personal loan in the United States is crucial. Let's break down the process into manageable steps. Steps 1. Assess your financial situation. Before diving into the personal loan application process, take a close look at your financial standing. Evaluate your income, existing debts, and credit score. Lenders often consider these factors when deciding whether to approve your loan application and determining the interest rate. A clear understanding of your financial situation will help you identify the and amount of loan you can realistically afford. Step 2. Check your credit score. Your credit score plays a pivotal role in the loan approval process. Obtain a copy of your credit report from one of the major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. A higher credit score generally improves your chances of securing a loan with favorable terms. If your credit score needs improvement, consider taking steps to enhance it, such as paying off outstanding debts and ensuring timely bill payments. Step 3. Research lenders and loan options. Not all lenders offer the same terms and conditions. Research various lenders, including traditional banks, credit unions, and online lenders. Explore the type of personal loans they offer, such as secured or unsecured loans. Compare interest rates, fees, and repayment terms to find the most suitable options for your needs. Step 4. Gather necessary documentation. Lenders typically require certain documentation during the loan application process. Common documents include proof of income, employment verification, and personal identification. Be prepared to provide these documents to streamline the application process and increase your chance of approval. Step 5. Submit your loan application. Once you have chosen a lender and gathered the necessary documents, it's time to submit your loan application. Many lenders offer online applications for convenience, provide accurate information, and double check all details before submission. Promptly respond to any additional requests from the lenders to expedite the approval process. Step 6. Review loan terms. Before accepting a loan offer, carefully review the terms and conditions. Pay attention to the interest rate, repayment schedule, and any associated fees. Ensure that you fully understand the terms of the loan to avoid any surprises later on. If something is unclear, don't hesitate to ask the lender for clarification. Step 7. Accept the loan and repay responsibly. If the loan terms align with your financial goals, accept the offer and commit to responsible repayment. Set the automatic payments if possible to avoid late fees and maintain a positive credit history. Consistent, timely payments not only fulfill your financial obligations but also contribute to improving your credit score over time. Securing a personal loan in the United States involves careful planning, research, and financial responsibility. By following these steps, you can navigate the process with confidence, ensuring that a personal loan serves as a helpful tool in managing your financial well-being. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide makes the personal loan process a bit less daunting. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in comments below. Stay financially savvy, and until next time, take care.